Enkuyanja y'abantu eriizooba nibayeshwa omu Rubutega Kagarama Town Council omu Rukajara Ntungamo okushendekyeza omubiri gw'owaabire wa ambassador wa Uganda omu South Africa Kweronda Ruhemba. Uruwihanga omu butumwa bwe obwashoma omuhwezi wa Speaker Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa yasiima Kweronda Ruhemba ahabwa emirimo eyakoreire ihanga.
The NRM has lost a dedicated cadre who understood and followed our ideological stand of working for the broad and legitimate interests of the people. This was evident throughout his years of service as a post representative and in the foreign service, where he ably championed Uganda's interests abroad. Even when he retired, he continued giving guidance to the young generation of leaders in line with the NRM ideology and philosophy. I want to salute the late Honorable Ambassador Kweronda Ruhemba for his contribution to the unity and development of Kajara County, Ntungamo District, and the rest of Uganda and Africa.
I was lucky to have another MP to work with. Abire nantereso anjerate chabura. Abantu mu kureba aha babire batakumanya ngo onare go Kweronda Ruhemba takiri MP bakimanya formally konki formally babire no bakimushikira.
Kweronda Ruhemba akaba omwishenjero wa Kajara omwaka gwa 1996 mpaka 2021 kandi n'omwaha bakozire constitution ya 1995 akaba minister w'ebyobwegyese n'emizaano, minister wa finance, planning and economic development hamwe n'endiijo mirimo ya government.
Barikorebera biro wena no Professor Kanyihamba in the point in actually ba pushingira abantu babiri bakemphasizinga kugira ngo omuntu omunyamahanga oraba ryo mu Uganda mazire mubwire kandi ayireme bintu tumwikirize abo mu Uganda tumwisizije. Kweronda Ruhemba na the late Professor Kanyihamba nibo baresire tiso bakacagira mulonga kikaraba mu
hori bintu bizgo bishya yakoze no mentegateka ligase umbwebembezi omurutungamo omurukajara n'omuntungamo wa ekyayira bashika mchagwanisa koka we nabona muzekarazawe nabembeza bari umbwebembezi ubwiro no kureba ngo bayihaho uburyane no gutegerezana hagati y'amatiri.
Emirimo ye na mnongo kureetaho orwanisiriza omuri Ntungamo omu kushomesa abantu okukunda ihanga ryabo n'ebindi nyamwingi byasiimwa b'ekika hamwe n'ihanga ryona.
My brother Wilson Kweyunga akaba tugira accident amazire mbire ariko nasinga bondes kunuya hati yaza kureba Kweronda akamuhereza akasente ko kutahandika nako ayagera tunde umurimo hima kuyagira kuyamazireyo bijambaro na Kweronda bashanga tariyo Wilson bamutwara. We still hope that one day he will be seen.
Konkanti bendeza kumwegaho mazi obwo kumwegaho rukundo y'amazima kumwegaho kundi ihanga rye. He was not corruptible uko takubasa kumutugira kumukozesa ito twatagura na bururu ukora bururu bwitubona twatagura bururu.
Kweronda Ruhemba yafiira emyaka 7 y'obukuru kandi yitwa oburwire wa stroke obwamaze nabwo emyaka 13 ku muringo gwo kumuhereza ekitiinisa w'ebyakoreire ihanga yateerwa emizinga 9 okuhereza ekitiinisa emirimo ye. Amakuru agagasha kwa Samuel Ahumuza abwa Tayari West muri Ntungamo.